Hello all, this is Karthik from Tech Geeks. This is the second video in Linux command line tutorial series. In this video, we are going to talk about path. So coming to path, what is path? Path is nothing but location of a file or directory in Linux file system. There are two types of paths based on the reference with which we find the location. First one is absolute path. The location of a directory or file with respect to root directory is called absolute path. Absolute path always starts with the symbol of root directory, which is /. For example, the absolute path of documents folder documents directory is we are now in root directory, going to home, then take Karthik 002, then documents. Absolute path of password file, which is in etc directory. We are now in root directory, etc, then password. Let us go back. If you want to know the absolute path of shell scripting, which is on desktop, just go to home directory, then home directory of user, then desktop, then shell scripting. This is the absolute path. You can see here home / home / Karthika 002 / desktop / shell scripting. Now we have seen what is absolute path. Let us move to the second type of path, which is called as relative path. In relative path, the location of a file or directory is found with respect to parent directory. Before learning more about relative path, we need to understand some symbols and their meanings in path. We use these symbols frequently. A single period symbol in path means that it is current directory. A double period or two dots means that parent directory. What is parent directory? Parent directory is the directory which is one level above the present working directory. Let us say we want to know the parent directory of shell scripting. Parent directory of shell scripting is now in desktop. The parent directory of shell scripting is desktop. The parent directory of documents directory is home directory of the user. The parent directory of Karthika 002 directory is root directory, home directory of which is in root. The parent directory of bin directory is root directory. Going to the next symbol, this symbol tilde means it is a shortcut symbol for the home directory of the user who's currently signed in. Means going this tilde symbol here is the shortcut symbol for the path of this directory. We have already seen the symbol / at the front of a absolute path, which is meant by root directory. Now let us see examples of relative path. Since relative path is found with respect to present working directory, let us say we are now working in this directory, home directory of the user. Now we want to go to now if you want to go to this directory, what we just need to do is, we know that home is a parent directory to kkarthikar002, means since home is one level above the directory kkarthikar002, what we need to just do is just go back like this. For this we use the symbol two periods or two dots, dot dot. You can also say dot dot forward slash, because home here is a directory. Moving forward, what if we want to know the relative path to root directory? What we just need to do is, now we are currently in kkarthikar002. What we just need to do is go back once, then go back again. Going back once, then going back again. Two periods forward slash two period. What is the relative path of bin directory with this root directory? Going back twice and then accessing bin. Relative path of password file in its directory. We know that root directory is this. Then we are now at a root directory here. Going to etc, then searching for password file. Password file. Relative path of hello.sh file, which is on desktop, is, now where are we? We are now in home directory of the user. Home user. Now we are here. If you want to access hello.sh file, or if you want to write relative path to hello.sh file in desktop, just we need to do is, now we are in home directory, we don't need to go back again. Just what we want to do is just go to desktop, then hello.sh. If you want to know about relative path of, if you want to know relative path of png file in downloads, what we just need to do is go to downloads and then kernel.png. That's it for today. I hope you understood about what is path in Linux file system. Thank you. If you like the video, please give a like and subscribe to my channel.